Hello everyone, I'm Salman here and I'm going to discuss about this post. One of our group members just posted about this thing that she is getting clicks. The Facebook data and the Google Analytics data is a bit different, or how I'm going to explain this thing out. I've seen this type of queries in groups for a lot of time, that a lot of people from you are facing this thing, that the Facebook data and your analytics data is different. For example, Facebook shows you 5 purchases and you just got 2 purchases. What is this, and how you can differentiate this thing? Firstly, I'm going to explain it right here. For example, if we think consider it like an add to cart. Okay, if I click on this and I just move towards the next screen, and what I do, I just reload this page. What I'm doing, I'm just reloading the page one more time. Now Facebook has the code of add to cart on this page, and Facebook add to cart event is going to fire twice. Like, if someone just refresh the page, Facebook will consider it as two. A single user is clicking the add to cart, is hitting the add to cart page for twice, and Facebook will consider it two add to cart. And the same thing with the purchase. If someone's reload the thank you page for 2 times, Facebook will consider it 2 purchases. Facebook is not that much efficient for this. You need to consider your Shopify data, or your analytic data is really important in this condition, that they'll give you the right amount of purchases. And uh, your your question is like your clicks. Firstly, I'm going to tell you that the clicks are really matter. Like, if someone clicks on your post, for example, this is an image post. If I'm going to click this, Facebook will consider it one click, and will Facebook consider it in clicks all. If you want to know the specific amount of clicks, you need to you need to find the column link clicks. Let me show you. Hold on. So click columns. So here is it. Customize columns, and now you need to find link clicks, or you can write it here, link clicks, and you will get it. Maintain the column as per your need, and you're here. And after this, you need to hit apply. So hope so I just answer your question. Well, goodbye for now. Take care.